Hey everybody, this week is about coming up of September 21st through the 25th, what we're going to be starting to work. Learning target students understand how to submit pay stubs through Google Sheets and be introduced to the current labor law. So we're beginning labor laws unit. First of all, again, reminder to check in on all your virtual days. If you are 100% distance learning, make sure you're scheduling a meet with Mr. Hahn or Mr. Stieber each week. And all Google meetings are going to run through these two new links. Mr. Hahn, there's my link, and there's Mr. Stieber's link. So to accomplish by Thursday night at midnight. First of all, required paperwork, pay stubs, we're going to get that set up. Don't submit it though. I'm going to talk about that when we go in there. Child labor laws pre-test. We're going to post a response to wage theft law and minimum wage discussion. We're going to complete the verification. And if you don't have an official internship yet, you're going to be completing the cover letter. If you feel you have an internship and you're in the wrong group there, let Mr. Stieber or myself know and we'll get you into the right area. So, covering that information here in the class, you can see on the right-hand side it says upcoming cover letter assignment, wage theft law, minimum wage, how to write a cover letter for those of you that don't have that, day one verification, and child labor rights pre-test. There's our links for our check-ins again. Required paperwork. First thing, we're going to click inside required paperwork. Pay stub, driver's license, insurance, required paperwork. Yours is going to look like this now. I'm going to move myself over. Directions. To receive credit for work, you're required by law to provide driver's license, insurance card, and all your pay stubs. All your pay stubs, not just up to 105 hours or 80 hours, whichever. Click here to watch a video on how to submit your document. So this is going to take you through how to use this document. This document right here. It's going to take you through how to use all of that piece of documentation there. Then we're going to slide over. And that's the required paperwork folder. Then we're going to come down to hybrid distance learning weekly assignments. And inside hybrid distance assignments, we have our child labor laws pre-test that you must complete and take a score. That is not a graded assignment, but it's just a baseline for us. Kind of gets you to know what you're going to be learning. Minimum wage in Minnesota, this is a discussion board. That's right here. You're going to answer these two questions. You're going to use this website link to take you to the Department of Labor and Industries. That's a link that we're going to use a lot. Coming back, wage theft law. We're going to talk about the wage theft law. So that's right here. You're going to go to Department of Labor and Industry again link for watching these three videos: employee notice, earning statements, and record keeping. Once you've taken that pre-test, you'll be able to see some of these things coming up and happening here, and you'll know what the post-test is going to be about. When you're completed with that, you're going to click your day one verification that just says you did your work. And if you don't have an internship yet, you have two more assignments: how to write a cover letter. This is an ed puzzle again. And how to write this is your actual cover letter that you'll be writing. Have a great week, and always get in contact with us if you have any questions.